Hi there, I'm here to teach you about fishing for tens. It is an addition math game, and all you're going to need is some cards. So with those cards, you're going to want to take out all of your queens and your kings, and then everything else you're going to need. The jacks in this game are going to count as 0, and the aces are going to count as 1. So let's start playing. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to grab your cards and you're going to take out all your queens and kings. Then you're going to deal each player 5 cards, just like in regular Go Fish. Now instead of trying to find pairs, this time you're going to find pairs that equal 10. So I'm going to look in my hand since it's my turn and I'm going to see if I already have some that equal 10. So looking at my hand, I do have a 10 and a jack. Now remember, a jack equals 0 in this game. So 10 plus 0 equals 10. So there's my first match. I do have another match in my hand also. I have a 9, a 9 and an ace. Remember, an ace in this game is a 1. So 9 plus 1 is 10. So there's my second match. Now it's my turn and I'm only down to 1 card. My last card is an 8. So I need to think in my brain, 8 plus equals 10. And that's what I'm going to ask my partners for. So I would say, do you have any 2s? They said go fish. So I'm going to draw from the deck and look at that. I got a 2. So my 8 and my 2. And now it is the end of my turn. So now my partner will go and they're going to either ask me or the other person, however many people you're playing with, and they're going to ask, do you have, And remember, your goal is to equal 10. You guys are going to play until all of your Go Fish deck is gone, and the player with the most combinations of 10 is the winner. I hope you guys enjoy this game. Thank you.